The sounds Ya and Va constitute the entire wisdom structure within consciousness. Remember, it is wisdom, not knowledge. That's why Ya and Va are the important sound that one has to master in order to gain access to wisdom. In order to understand and experience these sounds, one has to know what has language to do with wisdom. Language is made up of syllables, and each syllable carries tremendous amount of energy, both material as well as spiritual. There are several angels that guard each syllable. Both the Jewish mystics, the Kabbalists, and the Yogis and the Siddhas knew how to take maximum advantage of this wisdom for our own evolution. You don't have to do too much. Go and read big books. Just understand and dig into the syllable. You will have tremendous amount of consciousness pouring into the body-mind. Shimon Bar Yochai, the legendary father of Kabbalah, he was persecuted by the Romans in the 2nd century. He poured all his body, mind, and spirit into understanding the Torah, figured out a lot. He was a man of miracles. This wisdom lies in the understanding the syllable Ya, Va. The Yogis made a science out of it. The amount of literature that's available in the Indian tradition, also in the Buddhist tradition, who got it from the Hindus, is staggering. Future lies in understanding Ya and Va and the gods and angels behind these sounds.